Hi my loves, thanks for joining me today. I'm coming to you today with another video for my From Ordinary to Fab Home series, where I show you how to take an ordinary home and transform it into a luxury home with a fraction of the cost. Today is all about a glam dining room. We'll be focusing on all the major pieces needed to create a modern luxury dining area. In the following video, I will show you how to decorate and give you some amazing home decor pieces to accessorize with. Be sure to check out that video as well. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, from home decor and DIY projects to beauty and fashion. So if that interests you, be sure to click subscribe or like and follow along. So let's get started. So this is the finished product. This is the finished look. This is how the dining room looks when it's fully furnished and fully complete with all the accessories. Remember, if you want to see the accessories video, it's in the following video. But now I'm going to show you how it looks with all the base furniture, which is what we're going to be discussing today. Starting with the console table. I found this at the Z Gallery outlet in North Atlanta, and this piece is so graceful, so sophisticated. It's mirrored with decorative detailing and circular patterns, and it's finished in metallic silver. This piece is so gorgeous. I love it, and it actually matches the table. It looks like a set. The table I actually got from Wayfair. It's kind of a Z Gallery dupe mirrored table that they have. It's a tad bit different, but it's very similar, and I actually got this when they were running a sale, so it's a few hundred cheaper at the time. And so a lot of times with shopping for furniture, just be sure to compare multiple websites and like put it in your cart and let it sit there, and sometimes it'll go on sale and go down even more. And this is a 84 length mirrored table with circular pattern detailing as well. I have two sets of chairs in my dining room, and I purchased both sets from House. I love House, guys. If you have not started shopping furniture from House, I'll leave a link below, but you have got to, because I love shopping through there. I purchased the velvet wing chairs. They're in the ivory color, and they have a very curved back. They look like wings. The cushion is so plush. It's so soft. Oh my god, I adore this chair. Like, I fell in love the moment I saw it. And the black legs just make it a contemporary design. I also purchased some white faux leather chairs. One tip for your dining room is to mix chair designs. That's the trend now. Like, mix textures, mix styles. It takes your whole dining experience to a whole new level. So I added these faux fur leather chairs. They're very lavish. They're pearl color. They have really tall backs, and these chairs are super comfortable. I also purchased a armchair for those people who need that extra support. It's also great to have extra seating in your dining room, so when everybody can't fit in there, some people just want to sit down and talk in there and not eat, maybe you have extra seating in there, so when you need them, you don't have to go search for them. Buffet is a white buffet, and this is actually an IKEA hack. I'm gonna do a video on that and how I made it, so keep a lookout. But I used some overlays on this IKEA build. I'll leave links to the overlays as well. The mirrored overlays definitely complement the rest of the room, and the buffet of course adds some additional storage. You can also, on top of it, you can serve food up top. Buffets really are very useful in your dining room. This light fixture, OMG guys, I am in love with this light fixture. So I'm gonna tell you, when I first saw this light fixture, it was in someone else's home, and I could not afford what they paid for it. So I went on a search. Like, I wanted a light fixture like that, but I just could not afford that price range. So let me just first tell you that this is a 48 length light fixture. It has 8 lights, and it has over 600 crystals on this light. It's like a dupe of this light fixture called a Ibiza design, and like these lights range anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000 depending on the type of crystals that you get. Like the Swarovski crystals are way more expensive. They're usually double the price of the European crystals, so the type of crystal makes a huge difference. But for me, I wasn't particular on the type of crystal. I just wanted the style light, so I was able to find this style light. Instead of paying thousands for it, I paid a few hundred for it, and I'll leave a link link to it below. This light fixture is gorgeous. It's breathtaking. Light fixtures can make a huge difference in your rooms. I'm gonna come back and do an entire video just on light fixture, guys, so be sure to keep a lookout for that. A light fixture can literally like glam up a room in a second, so don't leave out your light fixtures when you're transforming a room. I have numerous other home decor videos, so if you love home decor, be sure to go check those videos out, as well as, again, following this video, I have how to decorate and how I'm going to accessorize this dining room. So go ahead over there and check that video out and tell me in the comments what you think.